This is a really awesome Christmas salad. It's a really fresh one as well, so you can use it over summer. Really healthy, and it's got a whole bunch of beautiful colors. So what I've started off with, guys, is a whole bunch of heirloom tomatoes. I like the different colored ones because it looks pretty. And I've chopped up a whole bunch of mint on top. What I've also got is some lemon in the oven, just slices, and it's starting to brown off as well. And then the last piece that we need is a pomegranate. So, easiest way to do pomegranate, guys, is to cut it in half, give it a little bit of a squeeze, just to start juicing it up a little bit, and then pop it over your fingers, and you start bashing it. All you do, give it a little bit of a mix around, pop your bits of lemon on top, and give it a drizzle of oil. There you have it, your Christmas salad, the most delicious, nutritious, but really fresh and healthy option you can put on the Christmas table.